So today's video is gonna be about my first attempt at making boba milk tea at home. Yay! So bubble tea, also known as pearl milk tea, bubble milk tea, tapioca milk tea, or boba tea or boba. It most commonly consists of tea accompanied by chewy tapioca balls that is called boba or pearls, but it can be made with other toppings as well. So it's basically a tea with milk, and you have these like small tapioca starch balls in your tea. You may ask what's so special about it, and it's really hard to explain unless you have tried it. I think for me it's the vibes. You can have it cold or hot. Honestly, if you drink your boba tea hot, like what is wrong with you? That's so weird. You can also have like a coffee instead of tea, but that's also weird. Or once I had milk tea, the boba itself, like those little balls, were infused with coffee. It's really good actually. You can have like different tastes there. You can choose how sweet you want to have it. Like it's a lot of options, and sometimes it's really hard to choose what you want. Usually when I crave boba, it's in the evening, it's really late. Everything in Sweden closes at like max 9, but if it's cafes or these little places where they sell boba, it's usually like at 5 or 6. So if you crave something like that in the evening, there is literally no chance you're gonna get it. So I decided that I'm gonna buy some ingredients to make boba tea at home myself. So we're gonna need a big glass, and the only problem is that when you buy boba somewhere else, they usually give you, or like they always give you, a straw that is quite like big, because the pearls are big. Either way, I don't have any straws at all, so I'm just gonna have to take out the boba pearls from my drink with a spoon. I'm gonna use Earl Grey black tea. Then we have some milk. I have coconut and almond milk. The one that I usually get is black sugar syrup, boba. So of course we need a black sugar syrup. This is how it looks like. This is our pearls. And so this is actually original flavor. So that's it. It's only that many ingredients, and now I'm gonna read the instructions how to do it, because I'm literally panicking when I don't understand how to do things. And then we're gonna start doing it. The first thing we're gonna do is actually boil some water for the tea so it can cool down while we'll do the rest. For the pearls, it said that you need to boil 10 cups of water for 1 cup pearls. So I'm just gonna... Oh, I think it's always like really hard to know what a cup means, but I'm just gonna use this thing every Swede has in their home. I think that's about how much I want pearls in my drink. I have no idea, to be honest. We're just experimenting, okay? This is my first attempt, so please do not judge me. I'm gonna use 1 of these for my pearls, then I need 10 of these for water to boil, and so that's what I'm gonna do now. Now I need to wait for water to boil, and then when it starts boiling, you need to add 1 cup of pearls slowly into the pot. So now we wait for water to boil. so I hear that the water is almost boiled. I'm just gonna open this package. The smell, not super nice, but you know what? We're not supposed to smell them, we're supposed to eat them. So first we add 1 cup of this into the boiling water, and then we wait until they float up to the surface, and then we put it on medium heat and we cover the pot and we wait. Now they are at the top, so now I'm gonna just put it on the medium heat and I'm gonna cover the pot, and then we wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see how our tea is doing. It's still hot. Maybe I can put it in the freezer instead. And that's when you always like forget, you know, when you put something in the freezer and you're like, I'm just gonna put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes so it can chill, and then you forget. Oh my god, it's so... I want to turn it off immediately. They're too soft now. Wait. Ah! I'm panicking! Don't panic! Stop panicking! Why are you panicking? I'm gonna lose my job! Now you need to put them into the cold water for like 30 seconds, and then you take it out and they're done! And we can make the drink. Now you do like this. Oh my god, they're so cute! So cute! Come on guys! Oh my god, that was a lot. Okay, never mind. Then goes the syrup. You put the syrup onto your boba pearls, and then our tea. Okay, that's... Okay, I put maybe like a half a cup of tea, and also dripped everywhere as well. Stir, stir, stir a bit, and then we have our tea, or our milk. Yeah, oh my god, so cute. Ta-da! Yum! Oh my god, it's so good! Honestly, I'm gonna put 1 more syrup though. Or I don't know. Maybe I won't. So I think it was a successful attempt at making my first boba tea at home myself. I really like it. It was easy to make, nothing special. It took like 5 minutes. So approved by me. Honestly, every time I post a new video and it begins of me sitting in the kitchen, no, it's gonna be a mess. That's life. Life is a mess. Okay, thank you for watching and bye.